Today here we are in Greater Richmond area looking at a wet pond. We're doing a rehabilitation of it where it's going to entail some forestry mulching from the top of slope to the edge of the water. Probably a half-acre clearing on this pond, and we've got a couple others on the property where we're going to take care of as well. Get it all chipped down. All the mulchings will help suppress some new growth from rising and keep everything stabilized on the surface and help prevent against erosion, as well as getting it to where we can get a complete visual inspection done, which hadn't been done on this facility in probably roughly 25 or 30 years.